Hey, 4:38 in the afternoon, guys. Gonna be showing you how to make my spicy chicken noodle soup. Alright, so you'd probably want some roasted Campbell's or whatever you guys prefer for soups. I use Progresso. This is roasted chicken noodle. I'm going to turn it on pretty high heat and then add it in. I'm going to add another can in there. Alright guys, now I'm going to add a bit of salt. To spice in it, I'm going to add pepper to the chicken noodle soup. Loads of pepper because I like it kind of spicy. I'm going to add some vegetable seasoning in there. Then I'm going to add some parsley flakes. Alright, and then some dill weed. I'm going to put 1 bay leaf in there also on the edge. Chef Joel at it again, guys. Alright. Now I'm going to mix it up with the bay leaf in there, of course. Also, you guys, I'm gonna add in, if you want to make it kind of tangy too, you can add in some lemon juice, like this. Put some drops in there. There you go. I'm also going to add some chili powder in there. Hmm. And to make it even more spicier, I'm gonna add some of the little tiny bit of this Cajun's Choice blackened seasoning. There we go. Alright guys, now it's looking about done, so I'm going to take the bay leaf out. And what's a good old soup like this without some sourdough bread, crackers, and chips? Would make a sandwich, but we don't have any meat for sandwiches right now, so it'll be another video, yay, that I get to make. Alright guys, stay tuned for better stuff and more videos. Bye.